Hello, future coding champs. Get ready to create your very own geography quiz game with Menu L220. If you're just starting with our kits, make sure to watch our menu navigation video to navigate like a true explorer. Found Menu L220? If you wait for 10 seconds or nudge the joystick right, a helpful message will pop up. Want to dive straight in? Just flick the joystick left to skip the tips. Press the joystick to kick off the quiz, and if you see that help message again, no worries, another flick to the left and you're in quiz mode. Watch as a country's name scrolls across the display. Curious about its capital? A quick move to the right reveals the answer. Up and down joystick moves will take you through different countries. Keep going, the world is vast. When you're ready to take a break, moving the joystick left will bring you back to the main menu. You're sharpening your Python skills with every step. Want a glimpse of the code magic? We've got a preview just for you. Ready to code on your own? Jump into our simulator on your laptop and start experimenting. Need a coding buddy? Our AI Chatbot Coding Companion is here to help you through the code. Ready for a world of coding? Visit http://schoginitoys.com for all the tools you need to become a Python master. Let's code and learn together. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.